Welcome back, coin lovers. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of the euro coins. In this video we will explore three interesting coins: the 50 euro cent from 2002 with the A mint mark, the 10 euro cent from 1999, and the 5 euro cent from the Netherlands, issued in 2014. Each of these coins has its own story, design, and collector's value that makes them very special, so stay tuned till the end, because you might be holding a small treasure without even knowing it.
To understand this coin, we must first understand the euro currency. The euro was introduced in 1999 for electronic transactions and became physical in 2002 with coins and banknotes. It replaced the Deutsche Mark in Germany and many other European national currencies. The euro is used by more than 340 million people, making it one of the world's most powerful currencies. Germany, being one of the founding members of the Eurozone, played a crucial role in designing and issuing the euro coins. And the year 2002 marks the very first year that these coins entered circulation. That's why any coin from 2002 holds special historical importance. Is the birth year of the euro as physical money. Now, let's take a close look at the design of the 50-cent coin. In Germany, all euro coins from 1 cent to 2 euro were designed by Professor Heinz Hoyer and Sneskana Russowa Hoyer. The 50-cent shows the German eagle, a long-standing symbol of sovereignty and unity. This eagle design has been used in many forms on German coins for centuries, even before the euro. Around the edge, you'll see the 12 stars of the European Union, representing solidarity among member states. The mint mark letter is also found here. For this coin, we are talking about A, which represents the Berlin State Mint. The reverse of the coin is the same across all Eurozone countries. It was designed by Luc Luix of the Royal Belgian Mint. It shows a map of Europe and the denomination 50 euro cent. The map includes the EU countries, symbolizing unity and cooperation. Edge. The edge of the 50-cent coin has fine, regular indentations, sometimes called a Spanish flower shape, making it easily distinguishable by touch. The 50 euro cent coin has unique physical features. Composition: Nordic gold, 89% copper, 5% aluminum, 5% zinc, 1% tin. It's not real gold, but the alloy gives it a golden color. Weight: 7.8 grams. Diameter: 24.25 millimeters. Thickness: 2.38 millimeters. Edge: regular, with 7 indents. These specifications make the coin durable and resistant to wear, which is important for circulation. Germany is unique because it uses 5 different mint marks. A equals Berlin, D equals Munich, F equals Stuttgart, G equals Karlsruhe, J equals Hamburg. Each mint produces part of the total mintage, and collectors often try to collect the same coin from all 5 mints. For the 2002 50-cent coin, the A mint mark indicates that it was struck at the Berlin State Mint, one of the oldest mints in Europe, with history dating back to the 13th century. In 2002, millions of 50-cent coins were minted across Germany. The exact mintage for the Berlin Mint A was in the tens of millions, ensuring wide circulation. Because of the high mintage most of these coins are still common in everyday transactions. However, condition matters. A coin in uncirculated or proof condition is far more desirable to collectors. So, what is the value of the 2002 A50 euro cent today? Circulate condition usually just face value 0.50 euro. Uncirculated condition around 1 to 3 euros depending on grade. Proof sets much higher, sometimes 5 to 10 euros per coin. Rare errors or special misstrikes can be worth significantly more. While not extremely rare, the coin's true value lies in being the first-year issue of the euro, which makes it historically significant. Collectors also love error coins. Some 2002 50-cent coins have been reported with off-center strikes, die cracks, double lettering, wrong planchet errors. These are very rare, and prices can skyrocket into the hundreds of euros, depending on the error's visibility. Remember, this coin isn't just about money, it's about history. The 2002 A50-cent coin represents Germany's transition from the Deutsche Mark to the euro. It symbolizes European unity while still carrying national pride with the German eagle. It's a coin that marks a new chapter in European economic history. If you want to collect the 50 euro cent 2002A, look for uncirculated rolls or mint sets from Germany. Check for all 5 mint marks A, D, F, G, J to complete the set. Always store coins in protective holders to avoid scratches. If you find an error, get it authenticated. It may be very valuable next 10 euro cent 1999. Before we look at the coin itself, let's understand its background. The euro currency was officially introduced in 1999, but at first it was only used as a virtual currency for accounting and electronic transfers. Physical euro banknotes and coins only entered circulation later, in January 2002. However, coins dated 1999, 2000, and 2001 were minted in advance, stored, and then released into circulation when the euro launched in 2002. That means if you find a 10 euro cent coin dated 1999, you are actually holding one of the very first euro coins ever minted. This is why the 1999 10 euro cent is historically very important. It marks the birth of the euro coinage system. The design of the coin has 2 main sides, the common reverse side and the national obverse side. Designed by Luc Louix, a Belgian artist, shows a map of the European Union as it appeared at the time, with 15 countries. The map is surrounded by 6 fine lines, with 12 stars at the ends, representing the European flag. The denomination 10 euro cent is clearly written. The edge is smooth but has fine ridges, known as the Spanish flower shape, with 7 indentations. Each Eurozone country has its own national design. So, the obverse of a 1999 10 cent depends on the country it was minted. For example, Germany shows the Brandenburg Gate. France features a portrait of Marianne. Symbol of liberty. Italy shows the birth of Venus by Botticelli. Spain depicts King Juan Carlos I. Belgium portrait of King Albert II. Netherlands portrait of Queen Beatrix. Ireland shows the Irish harp. Austria features Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Finland the heraldic lion. Portugal royal seals and castles. Luxembourg, Greece, others also have unique designs. This makes collecting euro coins fascinating because while the reverse is common, the obverse reflects national identity. The 10 cent coin is part of the Nordic Gold series. Composition: 89% copper, 5% aluminum, 5% zinc, 1% tin. Weight 4.10 grams. Diameter 19.75 millimeters. Thickness 1.93 millimeters. Edge smooth with a Spanish flower. Shape 7 indentations. The Nordic gold alloy gives it a bright golden color, but it does not actually contain real gold. Mintage figures for 1999. Not every Eurozone country minted coins dated 1999, but many did. Here are examples. Germany has a large mintage in multiple mints. A, D, F, G, J. France millions minted with Marianne. Spain Juan Carlos I portrait. Italy Botticelli's Venus. Netherlands Queen Beatrix. Belgium King Albert II. Ireland harp design. Austria Mozart. Finland lion design. Portugal royal seals. Luxembourg limited mintage. Greece most coins dated 2002, but some 1999 pattern coins exist. Because of high mintages, most 1999 10-cent coins are common in circulation, but some specific varieties are scarcer. Collector value of 1999 10 coins. Now let's talk about value. In circulated condition, a 1999 10 coin is usually worth only its face value, 10 cents. In uncirculated condition, BU, it may sell for €1 to €3, depending on the country. In proof sets or starter kits issued in 1999 to 2001, the value can be higher, especially if the set is complete. Some rarer mints, like Luxembourg or low mintage Germany mintmarks, can be worth €5 to €20 in uncirculated grade. Special errors, such as off-center strikes, double dies, or wrong planchet errors, can be worth hundreds of euros if certified. Error coins and varieties. Collectors love euro error coins, and the 1999 10 has some interesting ones. Off-center strikes part of the design. Missing. Misaligned dies, doubled images, or shifted details. Wrong planchet errors struck on a 5-cent or 20-cent blank. Die cracks or cuds, extra raised metal lines. These errors are rare and valuable, sometimes fetching euro 100, 500 plus at auctions. Why collect 1999 10 ? There are several reasons collectors like this coin. Historical importance: one of the first euro coins ever minted. Variety of designs: each country has its own obverse, making it fun to collect. Affordable entry point: easy for beginners to start euro collections. Potential rarities: certain mint marks or error coins can be very valuable. Always check the mint mark especially for German coins A, D, F, G, J. Look for shiny, uncirculated coins, ideally from starter packs or mint sets. Store coins properly to avoid scratches and tarnish. If you think you have an error coin, consider sending it to a grading company. So, the 1999 €10 cent is much more than just a small golden-colored coin. It represents the very beginning of the Euro era, with rich symbolism and a wide range of national designs. While most examples are common and affordable, collectors can still find rare varieties and errors that are worth much more. Last coin, €5 cent 2014. The €5 cent coin is part of the euro currency system, which was introduced in 2002. Value €0.05, €5 cents. Composition: copper-plated steel. Weight 3.92 grams. Diameter 21.25 millimeters. Thickness 1.67 millimeters. Edge smooth, with a special fine groove. Color: reddish-brown, due to the copper coating. Even though it looks like pure copper, the inside is actually steel, making the coin magnetic. Of the coin depends on the issuing country, because each Eurozone nation has its own design. In 2014, different member states of the euro area issued 5-cent coins, each showing their unique national emblem, symbol, or historical figure. For example, Germany oak twig design, symbolizing strength and stability. Italy the Colosseum in Rome, representing Italy's rich ancient history. Spain, the portrait of King Juan Carlos I. Until mid-2014, and later King Felipe VI. After his accession. France the young feminine figure, Marianne, symbol of liberty and reason. Netherlands, in 2014, coins showed King Willem-Alexander after Queen Beatrix abdicated in 2013. Each design reflects the cultural identity of the issuing country, while still being part of the common euro system. Of all 5-cent euro coins is the same across Europe. It was designed by a Belgian artist. Features include a globe showing Europe in relation to Africa and Asia. 6 straight lines with 12 stars of the European Union. The value €5 cent prominently displayed. This design highlights unity and the global significance of the euro. The edge and feel of the coin. Unlike larger coins, the 5-cent coin has a smooth edge but with a unique fine groove. This makes it easy to distinguish by touch for visually impaired people. The reddish copper tone also makes it stand out among other coins like the 10-cent and 20-cent, which are golden-colored. Minting and production in 2014. In 2014, millions of 5-cent coins were struck across various Eurozone mints. Each country has its own mint mark or symbol. For example, Germany uses mint marks A, D, F, G, J, depending on the city mint. France uses a cornucopia mint mark. Spain uses a star with the mint year inside. Italy uses the mint mark R for Rome. These small details are very important for collectors. Some mint marks are rarer and therefore more valuable. Historical background of the euro and the 5-cent coin. The euro was introduced as a virtual currency in 1999 and as physical coins, and banknotes in 2002. The 5-cent coin was created to replace older national small-denomination coins, like the French 5 centimes or the Italian 50 lire. By 2014, the euro had been in circulation for over a decade, and the coins were already deeply integrated into everyday life across the European Union. Collectible value of the 2014 5-cent coin. In general, most 2014 5-cent coins are common and worth only face value, 5 euro cents. However, collectors often look for uncirculated or proof versions struck for collectors errors or misprints such as off-center strikes, double dies, or missing details. Low mintage coins from smaller countries like Malta, Cyprus, or Luxembourg, which produce fewer coins. For example, a rare mint error coin could be worth a few euros up to even hundreds depending on its uniqueness. Circulation and usage. The 5-cent coin is widely used in daily transactions. It is often used for small purchases, vending machines, and giving change. However, in some countries like Finland and the Netherlands, 1 and 2-cent coins are not commonly used. Prices are rounded to the nearest 5 cents, which makes the 5-cent coin the smallest actively used coin in daily life there. Symbolism and meaning. Even though it is a small coin, the 5-cent has a symbolic meaning. It represents the idea that even small amounts contribute to the economy. Its copper color recalls historical small coins from many European nations. The globe design reflects Europe's place in the wider world. Interesting facts about the 5-cent coin. It is magnetic due to the steel core. If left in circulation for long, the copper plating can wear down, revealing a silvery steel color underneath. Some collectors keep sets of euro coins from all countries, and the 2014 5-cent is an essential part of those sets. In 2014, new designs appeared in some countries due to political changes like Spain and the Netherlands. So there you have it, 3 small coins, but each with a story that connects history, design, and European unity. From the early 1999 10-cent coin to the German 50-cent with the Brandenburg Gate, and the Dutch 5-cent featuring King Willem Alexander, these coins are more than just money, they are miniature pieces of history. If you enjoyed this deep dive into euro coins, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our future coin explorations. And let me know in the comments which euro coin is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.